I have been waiting for you,
Yeah.
and I'm inspired with you. In fact, you have created inspiration for many people to start speaking English.
Yes, yes.
Then, how is Surat
Yeah.
nowadays?
Yes, yes. It's fantastic.
Is
Fantastic.
it
All the
is it
time.
open now?
Yeah, it's open.
Okay,
We do have a lockdown at night, not in the morning.
okay,
We Surti people are following our municipality's guidelines strictly.
very good. Thank
Yeah.
you. Then tell
So
me
me,
what's special today.
okay. Oh, first of all, I want to know who are you, sir, Mr. Tanvir?
I'm Tanveer from Belgaum, Karnataka,
Yeah.
working as a nursing lecturer.
Uh,
I am assistant professor in the College of Nursing, WIMS Belgavi.
yeah.
It's a Belgavi Institute of Medical Sciences
In Belgaum.
in Belgaum itself.
Yeah.
Right now, I am working as a staff nurse, that is nursing
Yeah.
officer in
Yeah.
government hospital. Government
Yes.
hospital.
Mashallah, mashallah. It's very cool.
Thank you.
Oh, where is Belgaum, sir? Where is Belgaum actually?
It's near to Goa, but situated in Karnataka.
So
Located in
so
North
what's your
Karnataka.
language? What's your language?
We speak
Konkani
Kannada.
or
We
Kannada?
speak we speaks Kannada.
So you people are in Goa, so your language should be Konkani.
No, I am not in Goa. I am in Karnataka.
You in Karnataka.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
100 kilometers away from Goa.
yeah,
It's on
yeah.
border. It's on border.
You are sharing the border,
Yeah, with Maharashtra and Goa both.
both, huh?
Yeah, Maharashtra is very close to us.
Yeah.
Just 15 kilometers, 25 kilometers. Maharashtra starts,
Yes, yes, yes.
and Goa is around 100 kilometers away from here.
Well, I'm feeling very glad to talk to you right now. Really, want to know why?
It's my privilege to talk to you
Yes, yes, sir. So, who
because
dragged you down over here, sir? Who dragged you down over here?
your YouTube videos.
MashaAllah. Are you enjoying?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying. Just now, you have uploaded a video with a girl who speaks Bengali from Colombia. See, and it's your hard work which is making you very famous.
Masha,
You are
it's
shining.
by
You are shining now. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. It's by God grace, sir. It's by God grace.
Yeah, really. But
You know,
the God is with those who try to bring the changes in them.
yes, yes, yes.
And you are like the inspiration, and you are like the way for people who want to speak English. And for me especially, I'm very much inspired. I want to say you a special thanks to you that to start conversation with you. Though we speak English, but we don't have much confidence to speak in English, frankly.
Yes, yes, I see. That's because of we do not practice all the time. We do use our first language while talking, while communicating in a local area. If you do speak English every day, we don't feel hesitation. It's like a work like a charm. When you speak English, it's like work like a charm. But
Exactly.
unfortunately, we do not speak. We often we are not get the time often. Sometime rarely we speak with people in English.
That's fantastic. Yes,
Yes.
that's what the people are attracting towards you, sending message since 8 days, 10 days. I have waiting to speak with you, and I really like your openness, and you are so expressive. And I saw many of your videos. Daily notifications are coming. I have become a fan of you now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I have seen many of your videos. You were
uh,
speaking with Dubai people, Saudi people, now Colombia,
yeah.
and and from Nepal.
Yes.
And you are an international figure now.
Well, I'm going to tell you one thing that I speak with in England as well. England. She's from,
Okay.
yeah, she's from in our neighbor country. She also she liked to speak with me, but
Hmm.
she requests me to don't upload. I said no problem. I don't have any problem. If you want to
Yeah.
talk to me, come on, let's do it.
Ah,
It's not necessary to upload a video. It's not a necessary. You can talk to me.
yeah. Yeah. First of all, we have to take the consent before uploading it.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
privacy matter.
Yeah, it's my doctrine, sir. It's my doctrine. If
Very
I'm
good.
gonna upload a video, that I ask permission first of all. you know your face is your identity. I'm not gonna play with your, it's not my right to play your identity. So I ask permission first, and then I do the uploading things.
That's fantastic. Keep it up.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
And I like very much of your statement that you always frankly tell people about your tuk tuk. The tuk tuk has become a brand for the people now.
Yes, yes, yes.
And many people who want to start a new company, I will suggest the name Tuk Tuk. It's a travel agency, Tuk Tuk Travel Agency.
Yes, yes. Mr. Sir, that I really love my Uto.
Yeah,
It's I really love my Uto. That's why I
that's
add
what
my two Uto name with me. That's the reason.
that's what I like you. And you are so open. So you are so what you are frankly telling people, okay, you are that, and you are struggling a lot to what okay,
To
learning
achieve
English,
prosperity. Now I'm also,
and
as
you are
well as I'm learning English. Yes, I
and you
wanted
are
to achieve a
burning desire
prosperity.
to learn English,
Yes, yes,
and
yes,
as well as with that you are inspiring people, you are
yes.
attracting people, and you are creating a change in the minds and hearts of the people regarding English language.
Uh,
That's fantastic.
we
Okay, I would like to ask you, what about your interests and hobbies?
Well, my interest in learning a new thing. I'm a watch accumulator as well. I really love watches.
Okay,
I do have a lots of watches, and that's it. I do have only two hobby: learning new thing and accumulating watches. That's it.
great. Okay, what is your next future plan?
Well, I do have a future plan. I'm working on it right now. I'm working on it, but but a little bit, I need some funding. I need some funding, so I'm stuck right now. But inshallah, one day I want to do something. I have planned already. I have planned already. I'll let you know,
Kindly
inshallah,
share
as
with,
soon as possible. I'll let you know.
kindly share with us. We can at least help you.
Well, well, I'll let you know, sir, later on.
Since from
Inshallah,
how long?
definitely.
Since from how long you are learning English?
Well, sir, I'm not learning any particular language. Like I'm learning lots of language. So since when I'm learning these languages, I really don't know. But I do speak many languages.
Like I am working as a lecturer. I taught many students in Maharashtra and in Karnataka.
Yes, yes,
And I regularly motivate our students to speak English, especially
yeah.
because what I felt in my life is I am basically an Urdu medium student.
Mm-hmm.
I studied in Urdu medium up to 10th standard.
Mm-hmm.
When I went for my plus one and plus two, I had many problem in understanding the subject just
Mm-hmm.
because I could not speak and understand the English. Then I started working hard on it.
Mm-hmm.
I had I have completed my degree. In degree also I had what no command over English, especially
Mm-hmm.
in speaking and understanding.
Mm-hmm.
And when especially I went for the job, in those sessions I used to attend many workshops and seminars where I got confused with the language of English, where sometime I could not understand them because they were from US, UK, maybe
Mm-hmm.
many people were there. So that's what I always insist and motivate my students to learn and speak English.
Mm-hmm.
But in these sessions, when I was improving my English, since from the time when I was in degree, I worked on it, but I did
Mm-hmm.
not take it seriously. See, serious. But
Mm.
when I was doing my masters, I took it serious that I should speak English, I should learn English, and I have to improve my vocabularies and standard of speaking and communication skills. That becomes very
Mm.
important for us when we teach students. Then I started working on it.
MashaAllah.
Now, in between these days, when I found you on YouTube, and it brought me a lot of confidence after seeing you. I'm really talking that I I lost everything from me. That is the fear of speaking English have vanished.
Yeah.
Now I'm frankly speaking with you, and I really
Yeah.
prayed for you that the struggle you are doing. I really prayed for you, and if you don't mind, uh, you can continue your education.
No, sir. I'm not. I don't. I'm not interested right now. I have a one startup plan. I want to start my startup. I do have one startup right now. I'm working
Okay.
on it. I'm working
Mhm.
on it. Inshallah, I will be success. Definitely, I'm gonna succeed. Inshallah.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
All the
So,
best. If any
uh,
help, if you need from my side, I am ready to help you at any time. You call me for any suggestion.
inshallah. Thanks for your kind words, sir.
Thank
Inshallah.
you.
God